If you want to maximize your sales, your content planning and your product planning need to be done together. Here's a recent clip from a Fine Art of Self-Promotion session that shows you why that's important and how to use it to your benefit. This time we're going to be talking about creating useful content and products to achieve your mission. Now, why? All right, trouble operating a slideshow already, but no problem. So every time I try to plan this, I said, okay, I'm trying to do content and products at the same time. And usually people, teach that separately, content marketing separate from, creating products. And you guys may, I hope, recognize this. I get the song in my head and thinking, no, content and products always go together. And I'm not going to sing this song from Greece for you because I actually don't know what they say. They say, we go together like Bama Lama, something. But if you could keep that in your mind, if I can put that earbud in your ear and you sing the song all day, you will remember also that content and products go together. And the more you mesh it together, the easier your job will be. Because when you try to kind of plan your content and products separately, you're likely going to end up with a lackluster launch plan because you're trying to do it separately. It's not a plan from the beginning. A content marketing, it'll often be a content marketing plan that's just disjointed from your business objective, even if it's not in conjunction with a specific product launch. But when people look at content marketing separate from all their products and what they're doing, the message isn't as clear. And we talked about message last time a lot and, getting to know yourself and what you want to put out there. So your products and your content are integral to that and they go together. And it also means that you're going to probably spend too much time and effort to get things organized. If you kind of do it together, you're going to get it done a lot faster because you'll instinctively know what you need, what kind of content you need to support this product launch that you're creating or product you're putting together. If you found this helpful and you're looking for extra guidance, accountability, and developing a new habit of combining your products with your content marketing so that your customers see you as a wonderful source of information and support and keep coming back to you over and over again, make sure you join us for the eKit Hub 30-day content marketing and use your PLR challenge.